We arrived bright-eyed and bushy-tailed for another home build, ready to work hard, play hard, and broaden our perspective through service. San Diego and Mexico are such notoriously beautiful places to visit, but on the days of the home build, we had another visitor. A nice little tropical storm to test our will as we build 2 homes for 2 families. That didn't stop us, though. If anything, it fueled us as we knew that these houses were more important than ever.
Day 1!
We are officially en route.
The 811 builders consisted of Brooksource, Metasource, Calculated Hire, and HQ employees that all graduated from 811 University. 811 University is a program created not to just grow our employees professionally, but to expand their minds, perspectives, their values, and to continuously examine what it means to be a good person. This trip is more than just an act of service or a reward. It's a pursuit of who you are.
I want to say thank you and congratulations. It was an amazing opportunity to meet you, your sons. You have a beautiful family. It's something that I'll never forget. I know we all will. And I hope the Lord blesses your house for many years to come.
I'm very proud of everyone here. Thank you so much for allowing me the privilege to help build your home. I enjoy getting to know you and your children, Jose and Jesus. I had fun working with you. My favorite memory is cutting out the windows, and when the wood would fall out, Jesus would say, "Hola!"
We're gonna allow the family go to their house.
Wow!
And you all give me a big lesson because even with the storm, you guys teach me that you can do it, you can still go for it. And I didn't believe the people that brave exist, but I see that. I saw you all there.
Muchas gracias por todo, y ojalá y no se olviden de que un día quieran volver, aquí vamos a estar, porque no tenemos dónde ir.
Thank you so much for everything, and I hope when you come back, you can visit again.
This is our 8th year of building homes through Homes for Hope. It's part of our professional development, and for each of the families, it's a physical and enormous shift in their lives. What's most unexpected is the shift that it can make in your life.